What's up guys? Today we're going to be installing a cabin air filter. What you guys want to get? The CF10134 cabin air filter, Phillips head, and a flathead screwdriver. First step, open passenger storage compartment. So this is how you guys want to do it. You guys want to kind of lift it up a little. Just grab it just like that and pull it out. Alright, when you take both of them off, it should just drop like this. And now right here, take these pins out and take it out. Alright, so how you guys want to take this out? Put this inside, push them both together, and it just comes right out. Right now, you just take this out and put the new one in. And now, you just drop it right in, and this part, the air should be facing down. Now, put it back in there, just like that with the clips. That's it. Alright, so now, when you're putting these guys on, lift it up a little, just put it in there, just like that, and then that's it. Put them right in. That's how you guys install a cabin air filter on a 2009 Honda Ridgeline.